Hello YouTube, Chashtex back with another great video, and today's video is related with how we can fix your connection is not private error on browsers. While you are searching something on your browser may respond to you, your connection is not private. And this browser could be Google Chrome or Firefox, or it might be Microsoft Edge, Opera, or any browser. So you may be using different kinds of operating system, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11, or any operating system. So if you are facing this problem, it's because the site is not secure or your confidential data is vulnerable. That's why it's responding to you. Your connection is not private because the certificate that the website providing to the browser is not correct, or it may be other reasons. So on this video, we are going to have plenty of solutions for this problem, but they are very common that you may know them, but you did not realize them to use them. So let's start from solution number one. So you get this, your connection is not private error. The first solution that you should have to do is try reloading the page. So make a reload the page that you want to access, or the website. When you reload, it may give you the website that you want because of internet connection or some errors or browser errors. It may give you this result. So reload and check the browser. If this solution is not working, then close the browser and open it back, or restarting the browser. So I'm going to open Chrome again and check the website whether it solves your problem or not. So if the restarting the browser can help you to solve that, well done. If restarting the browser is not solving for you, then the other solution is trying Incognito. So to try Incognito, here click three dots here and select New Incognito Window, and type the browser that you want to access, which the browser is saying your connection is not private. So using the Incognito window, try to access the page. If this problem will be solved, well done. If not, the other solution will be using other browsers. If you are using Google Chrome, try to use other like Microsoft Edge, for example. You can use Microsoft Edge or Opera or Explorer or any browser. Try to check it with different browsers. So changing the browser may help you to solve this problem. And if changing the browser is not helping you, then clear the browsing data. So clear the data on the browser may also help you to combat this your connection is not private error. So to clear the history, here click the three dots here and you will find here history. Then again select here the history section here, and it will open. So after it open here, it will show you clear browsing data. So select clear browsing data, and when you say that, it will give you options: basic, which is make it advanced, and select everything that you have on your browser and clear the data. So all the browser data are clear, as you can see here. I did not select the time range here. All time, make it all time, and select clear data. So it's going to clear all the data of all time, and check here, go history, then all the histories are cleared. Then try to search the website that you want, and your connection is not private error will be solved. If you are using Microsoft Edge, the same things will happen for Microsoft Edge. Again, on Microsoft Edge, click here the three dots. Then select here history, and on the history it will give you options. Then select here this history in order to get it maximized one, and it will show you data related with your history. And here you will find clear browsing data. And after you select clear browsing data, then select the time, which is all time, all time and select every check boxes on the Microsoft Edge history section and select clear now and try to access the website that you want, which is giving you a result of your connection is not private. So it's clearing all the browser data, then try to search the website that you want in order to solve your connection is not private. So if clear browsing data with history clearing is not working, then try to update your browser. Update the browser. Again, in order to update the browser, click on here the three dots and go to the bottom section and you will find, sorry, here you will find setting section here. So select the setting and select here about Chrome. So here when you open, it starts checking for update, and as it's saying Chrome is up to date. Maybe if it is outdated, it may show you such results. Again, the same thing will work for Microsoft Edge. So here again, click here the three dots and go to here setting. Then after you open the setting, then you are going to click in the bottom here about Microsoft Edge, and it starts checking for updates. So as you can see, Microsoft Edge is up to date. So check whether your browser is up to date, and if it starts updating, wait until it will finish and restart your browser, then try to search the thing that you want. And if updating the browser is not helping you, try to restart your computer. So select here and select your power button and restart your computer. Then after the restart, if the problem is solved, well done. If it is not, the other solution will be check the date and time setting. So to check the date and time setting here, go to date and time and right click on it and select adjust dates and time. So after adjust date and time, open here on your settings, try to see whether the current date and time is correct or not. If it's not correct, set it the time automatically, which is turn on this one in order to set the time automatically and adjust the time automatically. Again, turn it on and here select sync now, and the sync now will process and it will finish. And again, check your time zone. If the time zone is not correct, make sure you are in the right time zone and close your date and time and check the website that you want to check if the problem is solved or not. If this solution is not working, then the other solution will be check the DNS, which is domain name system. In order to check the DNS, again, we are going to click here the search icon and type here control panel. So after you get the control panel, then open the control panel, and here the control panel open. If you cannot get the lists like this, and you may get it like this, then select here view by category and make it large icon. Then after you get the large icon, then open network and sharing center. So here the network and sharing center open, then go to the right top corner and open change adapter setting. Then it's open like this. I'm using the Ethernet cable, and if you are using Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable, then use Ethernet. If you are using Wi-Fi, then click on the Wi-Fi. In my case, it's Ethernet, so I'm going to right click on it and select here properties. So here the properties opened, and select here Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP/IPv4. Select this one and select properties. So after the properties opened here, the thing that we are here is to check the DNS. So obtain DNS server address automatic. If you chose this one, then select this one. Use the following DNS server. So let us select this one and type 8, click over here 8, again alternative DNS 8844, which is a Google DNS. Then select here OK and select here close. In the other side, again go to here Ethernet and go to properties, and again Internet protocol and properties. As you can see, what we are selected is use the following DNS. If when you open it, if you got this one, then select this option, obtain DNS service automatically. Select this one and leave it as it is and try to check the other way around. So select here OK and close it and close this one and check whether your connection is not private, error is solved or not. So these are the solutions to solve this your connection is not private error. And if this video is helpful, please subscribe, like, and give me comments on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Charge Tech out.